I invested over $15,000 into this trading bot called Eazybot. Already made over $1,244 in clear trading profit. Made $296.92 in the last 30 days. That's 2.01%. We are above 16% differential above the Bitcoin trending chart in the last 110 days. Made 8.15% in clear profit, and now big changes are coming. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel and to another video update on the Eazybot. As I said in the introduction, there are big changes coming, but what are those changes? And does this interact with us or interfere with us? Is it still passive income? Do I have to do anything? We will go through it step by step. As you guys know, I still have over $15,000 in this Eazybot, in the cryptocurrency trading bot, which is connected through an API connection to my Binance account. You see, all those coins are still trading through Eazybot, and it's still the same investment as in the last video. But what did change from last week? Basically, they changed the trading strategy and have now an enhanced strategy. So here's a picture of the old strategy. It's made very simple. You had your initial buy. Okay, we basically have our initial buy here at $20,000. Let's take Bitcoin, for example. A first cover, so our first rebuy at minus 2.2%. So if the coin price drops 2%, we buy again, x1, so times 1 of the initial buy, 1 time the initial buy. If this was, let's say, $500, we buy here again for $500. Then if it drops 5% again, we buy it x2, so we will buy it here for $1,000. And if it drops another 8%, we would buy it 4 times, so for $2,000. Okay, so in the first 3 covers, we would use a so-called martingale strategy to really lower down the average price. Okay, and after that, we would start our independent buys and sells with cover 4, cover 5, cover 6, with minus 1%, minus 1.1%, minus 1.2%, and so on and so forth, all the way down. Okay. And the first 3 coverages here, so the martingale strategy only is sold all together. So you will never just sell cover 3 and leave cover 2, 1 and the initial buy open. You sell everything or you hold everything. Okay. And the Eazybot team realized that in those covers, or in between those covers, I put it in color here, there is like a void. So if the price fluctuates within, let's say between cover 2 and cover 3, there are no trades being done. And this is what I want to talk about now. So they implemented a new strategy, but let's actually check out if this was the old strategy. We here have I think that's Ethereum Classic trade opened at September 15th. So about a month ago, we have our initial buy here, cover 1, minus 2% x1, then cover 2 at minus 5% x2, and cover 3 at minus 8% x4. So we dropped all the way from 39.19 to 32.79. And we see cover 3 is at 32.79 and cover 2 at 35.64. That's almost $3 difference, you know, like 8%. And if the coin moves in between this space, so in between this space right here, there are no trades being done. And this is what changed. So now we're going to take a look at the new strategy. Let's check out the gray colored here. So there we have buys and sells. So we still have all of this. Okay, so here nothing really changed. But there are new trades, independent trades being added to this area or to those areas where we buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell on every dip. Okay, on every dip we buy, on every bull run we sell. Thus, already dropping down the average price. Okay, and this is being done while this isn't changed. Okay, so this will give us more trades in the first couple of covers, and more space to make profits in. Everything lower than this, so those covers here, cover 4 and cover 5, cover 6, plus, this remains the same. Obviously now is possibly cover 10, 11 and so on and so forth, because there are so many covers now added within this area. This makes it much easier for us to make profit. This makes it much easier to sell the dependent cover, so the martingale strategy, earlier. And now we have basically 3 strategies all together. This strategy in the void zones, so to say, the martingale strategy, and then basically a grid strategy, sculpture strategy below that. So that's pretty cool, pretty neat. And we already see this also working out. So I have an Eazybot here, and this started a trade October 19th, so 2 days ago, with 84.86. Then we have our first cover here at minus 2% x1, still the same cover. And then we have cover 2 at minus 2% x 0.55. And this is a new added cover, and this is an independent cover. So this has nothing to do with cover 1. Okay, so and here you see already selling cover 2 for 22-cent profit. So 22 cent is backed up as profit, and the other 22 cents are already used to lower down the average price of the buys from 84.6 and 83.3. Okay, and we see it keep going. So we have another buy cover 2, and we have another buy cover 3. Also cover 3 here with 0.55 is an independent buy. And here we already can sell it for another 38.6 cents in profits. So now cover 4 with X2 is basically our old cover 2, this one. But now it's cover 4 because we already have 2 other buys in the void zones. Okay, so we have much more buys and sells, and then very quickly 2 days after sold the coin for altogether $4.82 in profits, even though the price dropped from 84.6 to 82.7 cents. Okay, so we have new buys and sells added in the void zones, and I think this is important to understand. The old strategy had the martingale up here and then the independent below this. The new strategy has still the martingale, but already independent buys and sells in those areas between the first couple of covers. Very neat, I think. Extraordinary idea, very nice, already making profits. And yeah, even though the market was sideways the last couple of weeks, we can check out Bitcoin here with the last 3 months. So yeah, you see it very sideways here, not much movement, not many opportunities to make big profits with spot trading, so buying and selling real crypto. But Eazybot's still performing very well. We see here last 30 days almost $300 in clear profits, and when we check out our Excel sheet, we have $1,344, which is 12.35% in total and 3.23% per month. So why is this percentage different than the one on Binance? It's because I started with a couple $100, so I think $1,200, then raised it up to $2,500, raised it up to $7,100, and then only from 17th of August forward I had $14,100 and then $15,000 in the balance to trade. Before this I had only 6,000. So that's where the percentage differential comes from. But again, very nice product. I absolutely love it. But I have to say as well, like obviously no financial advice. Please do your own research. It is a trading strategy. It is a trading bot. Obviously trading is risky. Your capital is involved. Your capital is at risk at all times. Obviously, it also depends on the market movement. So if Bitcoin makes a big bone drop, like here from 67,000 all the way down to 18,000, you will be in a so-called floating loss until you sell your trades. Okay, but at the same time, I can also assure you that, let's check out CRV. Oh, it's not showing. Curve DAO token. This was very spicy in the last couple of weeks. So here we see 155 and now, oh, it dropped all the way down to 75 cents. And Curve DAO is my best token, even though the price chart looks like this. Okay, so I love it. I absolutely love it. It's my best investment. It's doing the best returns. So yeah, and the cool thing about it, it's real trading, guys. It's not just a platform where you put money in, see a couple of numbers raising up and try to withdraw and hope to withdraw. This is all done inside your Binance accounts. The funds are always inside your exchange, so you can withdraw, send it, convert it at any time. You can cut the API connections if you don't want to use the Eazybot anymore. But for me, this is the best thing to do right now, and this is my best investment so far. We can check out our bots real quick again. So you just go to bots, and there you can see our Eazybot already also made another trade, is now $271 in profit, way above 20% in profits in the last 100 days. So my Eazybot works amazingly, so does the CRV bot. So yeah, amazing results. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link down below to Eazybot as well as Binance. But before you get started, I would recommend you to get in touch with me through Telegram, mail, whatever you want. WhatsApp, I have my WhatsApp in the description down below as well, to understand the risks and positives about it, and maybe also get help to set it up. So yeah, feel free to get in touch with me, and that's for today. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun.